welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to visualize emotion trends weekly. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to visualize your emotion trends weekly, all you can do is simply open an account in any of the emotional trend trackers. So once you open an application or an account in any of the emotions tracking websites or applications, you can visualize your weekly emotion trends by tracking your emotions consistently and then using an appropriate visualization methods like line graphs, heat maps, or mood trackers. You can simply collect your data, like have a daily check-in, use a scale, and note triggers. After this, you can also use the line graphs or like heat maps or bullet journals in it and analyze an action. You can identify your triggers, communicate what's happening, communicate your insights, and develop coping strategies. So this way you can visualize emotion trends weekly. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.